Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trust Wallet for staking and token swaps, full guide step by step clearly. To download Trust Wallet, start by opening your device's App Store. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. For iOS, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Trust Wallet. Look for the official Trust Wallet app, usually listed as Trust Wallet, Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. Tap on the app to view more details. Check the ratings and reviews to ensure it's the correct app. Next, tap the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to fully download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Trust Wallet icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Trust Wallet icon to open the app. You will be presented with options to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new, select Create a new wallet. Read and agree to the terms of service. You will now receive a recovery phrase. Write this phrase down and store it securely. It is crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. After saving the recovery phrase, confirm it by selecting the words in order. Now, your Trust Wallet is set up and ready for use. To begin staking, navigate to the Wallet tab within the app. Select the coin you wish to stake and tap on it. Choose the stake option. Follow the prompts to complete the staking process. If you want to perform token swaps, go to the DEX or swap feature. Select the tokens you want to swap from the drop-down menus. Enter the amount you wish to swap. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the swap to complete the transaction. Your Trust Wallet is now fully functional for both staking and token swaps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.